Hello to you all, and welcome to my little channel, with a special thank you notice to my subscribers. Today, with some updates regarding my Chia farming PC. Also, it seems that finally, we will have the Chia pools released soon. My PC building for the Chia plotting has come to an end for some time, but I didn't find the time to write or make a video about this. I am delighted to say that it works. And my intentions to build 30 plots per day, with the initially aimed PC specifications, worked as planned. The 30 plots per day are done with the Chia plotting manager, because using the Chia GUI, I have only managed to achieve 28 plots per day, and with some more stress on the CPU. Keep on viewing my YouTube video, or you can read my blog post on CryptoFiveo.com/blog, to find out about the plotting manager that I use, and see my plotting PC building. I have to say that, my recording device collapsed, and the media presented in this video, is only what I could manage to save. Hope you find this helpful. Before we get started with this Chia video, if you haven't done this, please subscribe to my channel, to stay updated with future reviews, and videos from the crypto and blockchain world. Additionally, if you enjoy this, please hit the like button, to pass the YouTube algorithm, so other crypto enthusiasts will find this video. Another little thing, remember that I am not a financial advisor. Therefore, everybody should do their research before investing in any cryptocurrency, or blockchain project. Regarding this Chia blockchain video, I left all the necessary links, in the description below. Also, you can visit CryptoFiveo.com, in the section blog, for my Chia PC building blog post. If you are interested in trading Chia, you can do so on Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange, which is one of the best to support Chia cryptocurrency. Moreover, new users of the Gate.io will get 10% rewards from their trading commissions, if the sign-up is done with my referral link. Find it in the description below, and simply sign up. My Chia plotting PC. I need to mention that, this is not going to be a PC building guide, because there are so many good articles, and YouTube videos from greater IT specialists. Also, I did lost a big part of my media files. Therefore, let's only see what PC components I have used, to achieve creating 30 plots per day. At this time, with the fast-growing Chia space, the 30 plot building per day is not much, but I am pretty happy with this. At the time planning for my Chia farming computer, the total space of the Chia network, was around 6 exabytes, and nowadays is more than 30 exabytes. Therefore, the earning potential decreased a lot. Also, the Chia pool protocol was a long time delayed, and as a result, I've farmed Chia with the H-Pool platform. But more about farming with H-Pool with a different blog post, or YouTube video. So, let's see what my Chia farming PC contains. To look good, and have a lot of space for the hard drives, I have picked a fractal design Meshify 2XL black, middle tower, tempered glass. I have to mention that, I really like how the final result looks like. This PC case has 18 slots for the hard drives. Therefore, with some big storage hard drives, you can get a lot of Chia farming space in a good-looking way, without even seeing the devices. Until now, my 4 hard drives entered the case bottom space, therefore it was not necessary to expand the storage. But just in case I prepared the case's space. Now just let the hard drives arrive. The motherboard that I used, is an Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming. It is not a pricey motherboard, but the most important thing for me is that, it has two M.2 slots for the NVMe drives. The CPU, is an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, 3.7 GB, with 12 cores and 24 threads. This one I overclocked, and now it goes to a speed of 4.7 GB, and even a little bit more. I think that the CPU is the second most important element, in building Chia plots. Also, the first 3 components by my rankings, should be purchased according to how many plots you intend to build per day. These 3 parts should be in perfect correlation, because they all need to support the same number of plots, otherwise one of these 3 PC items will bottleneck. I think the following item, which in fact are 2 components in my situation, is the most important in plotting Chia cryptocurrency. Therefore, for the temporary files of the plots, I have selected 2 NVMe SSDs, with a storage of 2 TB each. These are XPG Gamix S11 Pro, PCIe Gen 3x4 M.2, 2280 solid-state drive. The total bytes written per SSD is 1200 terabytes. Also, until now I have plotted around 47 terabytes, and the life of the two NVMe SSDs dropped by 10%. As a result, doing some quick math, the two NVMe drives will plot me somewhere around 470 terabytes of hard drive storage. Also, once the Chia pools will launch, I will need to replot, so the life of the temporary drives will drop with approximately 20%. Therefore, I will not reach my initial planned Chia farming space, of around 500 terabytes, with these two NVMe drives. But, I believe in this project, therefore I am confident that I will buy others, with the profit made from Chia farming. Remaining in the SSD area, for the operating system, I have selected an SSD Kingston KC600, 512 GB, 2.5-inch, SATA 3. This one is not an important component for the Chia plotting, but I intend to use this PC for other things. That is why I bought one with bigger storage space. The third most important PC component in Chia plotting is the RAM kit, after the NVMe SSDs, and the CPU. Therefore, to reach the 30 plots per day, and to be in correlation with the first two important plotting elements, I have selected a RAM kit Patriot Viper 4 Blackout, 64 GB DDR4, 3200 MHz, CL16 dual channel. For the power supply unit, PSU, I have selected a Corsair HX750i, high performance ATX, which is fully modular. For now, with these PC components, this PSU works perfectly. But, once I will add some more hard drives, as I plan to place 18 hard drives in my Meshify case, I think that I will need more power. But let me hope for the best. Previously, I have mentioned about the most important parts in building Chia plots. Now the following component is the most important in farming Chia cryptocurrency. Yes, the hard drives. Until now, I have bought 4 hard drives, with a total space of 46.64 terabytes of plotted hard drive storage. My hard drives are 3 by 12 terabytes, Synology HAT 5300, 12 terabytes, SATA 3, 7200 RPM, and 1 by 16 terabytes Seagate Iron Wolf Pro, SATA 3, 7200 RPM. Waiting for the Chia pools, I have tried my luck with the H-Pool platform. Have to say that it works for me, and the withdrawals also worked, without some high amount in fees. Also, I even use my Wobi Global Exchange account to withdraw the farmed Chia. The H-Pool platform only requires 0.1% in operating fees from the withdrawal amount. But, as the Chia network space has grown so fast, I didn't farm a large amount of Chia. Another important part of building a PC is to keep your elements cool, especially the CPU. Therefore, for the CPU cooler, I have selected a Kraken NZXT X63 RGB cooler. This one has 2 ventilation fans, and in combination with the case fans, works perfectly for the current specifications. But, if I will expand the hard drive storage, I think I will need more ventilation fans. As I said, I want to use this PC for other tasks. Therefore, I have selected a cheap graphics card, and this one is a GeForce GT 1034 GB, DDR4 64-bit. Note that, if you want to mine other proof-of-work cryptocurrencies, with the graphics card, you will need a better one. Also, the graphics card is not necessary for farming Chia, but I intend to use the Chia GUI. This is my Chia farming PC, and I am happy to say that it works flawlessly, and I can build 30 plots per day, with the Swar Plot Manager. Long-delayed Chia pools updates. At the time of writing my blog post, the Chia pool protocol entered the mainnet beta. This means that there is going to be some final testing, and the Chia pools will go operational shortly. Also, with so much time in which the Chia pools were delayed, I have tried my luck with the H-Pool platform. Didn't gain much Chia, but at least is not zero. Although the pools are already starting to earn Chia, when the pool protocol will go fully operational, and the final testing is done, there is a chance that pool users will need to replot again. But, I am not going to take this chance, and I will wait for the official launch. If you are a Chia farmer, and tried the H-Pool platform, my suggestion is to make another Chia wallet, with different keys. I didn't have unpleasant surprises using this platform, but it is better to be safe. 30 plots per day, with the SWAR plotting manager. With my PC specifications, and using the Chia GUI, I have only managed to reach a maximum of 28 plots per day. But, with the SWAR plot manager, I have reached even 31 plots per day, and with lower stress on the CPU. Therefore, my initial calculations were good, and I am pretty thrilled about this. I know that with the Chia space growing so fast, is not a high number, but for me it is acceptable, and I am comfortable with this amount of plots per day. Now I only hope that Chia will reach again some all-time highs, because the price collapsed since I've started my farming plans. Some final words about the Chia network. I really like this Chia blockchain project, and I am still bullish about the Chia cryptocurrency. My plans did not change, and I am going to be a long-time hodler of Chia. I think that nowadays, this price of Chia is very low, and at a discount price, and I strongly believe that we will see Chia's price reaching unbelievable tops. Maybe this is not going to happen soon, but in a few years, this will be possible. The Chia blockchain project is not for the people who want to purchase an island overnight, and it is here for a better financial future for all of us, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Chia is currently trading on multiple cryptocurrency exchanges, and if you want to buy and sell Chia, Gate.io, Wobi Global, and OKEx cryptocurrency exchanges are one of the biggest in the world to support Chia. Moreover, new users of the Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange will get 10% rewards from their trading commissions if the sign-up is done with my referral link. Also, regarding referral links, new users of OKEx will get $10 in Bitcoin once an amount equal or bigger than $100 is traded via the buy and sell option. Find my referral links below and simply sign up. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this helpful, and don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe to my little channel or blog, for other reviews from the crypto and blockchain world. Also, future updates from my Chia farming plans. Furthermore, visit my little crypto blog, at CryptoFiveo.com. Find all the links in the description below.